So we have here the FLUKE 1662 and the FLUKE 1672. An upgrade, the 1672 is an upgrade from the 1662 in several functionalities. The 1662 will offer you basic functionality on several measurements, and this one will give you some additional features and also more convenient interfacing for you as an end user. You can see on the 1662 there are quite a few buttons there that will allow you to operate the unit. With the 1672 you have only a few buttons, a big display and a rotary dial. Why we have it? We now have touchscreen. In this way your interfacing with the unit is more easier. Simply select the function you want and do your testing. The 1672 also works differently. It now will work on project based. So if you go to the measurement form, you'll see a matrix here that will show you your overview of measurements that you have to take in a sort of table overview. It's simply select the function and then press test. You are in the function and you can go on with testing. Also a big difference there is the 1672 will show you clear pass-fail limits in red, green, if it's good or bad. Also, one of the features that has been added is voltage drop. It will show you the voltage drop from the beginning to the circuit towards the end of the circuit. And that also needs to be in certain limitations. Also a difference there from the 1672 is the interface. Here you see a USB-C port, which is used for charging, for data handling. So you can create a project in the software, upload it to the 1672 and download your data into TrueTest for easy 3 clicks report creation. The 1662 never offered that. So the 1672 will offer you way more benefits, features and functionality to make your life a bit more easier.